Today, let's talk about the center of gravity, an indicator that wants to show us the balance zone, and when we have the price moving far from the balance zone, it indicates potential overbought, oversold conditions that could help us, the traders, to spot the early reversal point. So let's see, where do we find this indicator and how do we actually use that to find the reversal points, not only for trend changes, it's also very helpful to know when the correction is likely over and take us to the trend continuation. So step one, where do we find the indicator? We go to the indicator section, and under other you would see the center of gravity. But this is how it comes by default with the length of 10. You can of course change that, but you can also predefine the two lines, the COG and the LAG lines. You can decide the type and the thickness of the lines. You can also choose what time frames and chart types you want to see that, and add the level. I personally love the level of 0. I'll show you on the chart. Click OK, and that's what you will get on the chart. So the idea is pretty much simple. The reason I love the 0 is pretty much this is where I would say the balance area is, around the 0. And when we see indication that in bullish trend the price tends to go and hold above the 0 line, this is a strong indication that the buyers are in control. When in a bearish market, and by bearish market I mean when the market makes sequence of lower highs, lower lows, and when you see the indicator going below the 0 line, it is a strong indication that the sellers are in control. But the real usage here comes on these conditions when we are far from the balance, far from the 0, and the crosses here, cross down happens. It's an indication that a correction is very likely in a bullish trend. It also helps us to join the trend. So when you have sequence of higher highs, higher lows on the price, and then you have the price dropping down and crosses up above the 0 again, these crosses could give a great signals for the trend continuation. And these are the most popular usages of the fantastic indicator called the center of gravity. If you enjoy our content, if you would like to learn more, make sure you follow our channel.